This WZRELB 9000 watt 48 volt pure sine wave inverter is like a helpful translator for electricity. It takes the 48 volt DC power from your batteries, and then it changes it into the 120 volt or 240 volt AC power that many appliances use. Think of it as a special power adapter. It lets you use your regular electronics even when you are not plugged into the wall socket. This WZRELB 9000 watt 48 volt pure sine wave inverter has two AC outlets, so you can plug in more than one thing. This power inverter is also quite strong. It has an 18 kilowatts surge capacity. This means it can handle a big burst of power that some appliances need when they first turn on. For example, a refrigerator might need extra power for a moment to get started. The WZRELB 9000 watt 48 volt pure sine wave inverter can provide that extra power. Plus, it is efficient. It can turn up to 91.6% of the DC power into AC power. This means less wasted energy and more power for your devices. It even has an LCD display. The display shows you important information, like how much power you are using, browsing for a reliable power source for your off-grid adventures, or even for backup at home. The WZRELB 9000 watt 48 volt pure sine wave inverter could be a good choice. It uses a pure sine wave. This is a smooth type of AC power, just like what comes from the power company. Some sensitive electronics work best with this kind of power. Unlike some other power inverters, this one aims to provide clean power. It's not like a radio with static. Instead, it's like a clear phone call. So, for vacations or even unexpected power outages, the WZRELB 9000 watt 48 volt pure sine wave inverter can be a dependable source of power. Pros: pure sine wave 48 volt to 120 versus 240 volt, split phase power, AC hardwire terminal 18 kilowatts surge. High efficiency, 91.6%. LCD display 9000 watt continuous, 2 AC terminals, good for many uses. Cons: can be pricey, uses battery power, generates some heat, needs proper wiring, can have fan noise, size and weight, efficiency not 100%, potential for failure, surge rating limit, LCD may fail. Features: 9000 watt power 48 volt DC input, pure sine wave 120 versus 240 volt AC output, split phase 2. AC terminals 18 kilowatts surge, 91.6% efficiency. LCD display, high efficiency. This WZRELB 9000 watt inverter takes power from a 48 volt battery and changes it into 120 volt or 240 volt electricity, like what you use in your house. It makes a very clean type of electricity called a pure sine wave, which is good for sensitive electronics. It has two outlets to plug things in and can handle a big power surge of up to 18,000 watt for a short time. This inverter is very efficient, meaning it doesn't waste much power. And it has a screen that shows you important information. This WZRELB 9000 watt inverter changes 48 volt battery power into 120 volt or 240 volt electricity, like what you have at home. It can handle big power needs for a short time, up to 18,000 watt surge, and works efficiently, up to 91.6%. It has two outlets that you can wire directly to your appliances and a screen to show you how much power you're using. Keep in mind it can be expensive, needs to be wired correctly, and might make some noise or get a little warm. Also, the screen might break, and it can only handle a certain amount of extra power at once.